this morning, how long have we been taking Assemblies? And in September this year, it will be 12 years. And for 8 of those 12 years, Phil has been on the team. And I just wanted to say in the context of Freshwaters and his family, what a privilege and joy it has been to have Phil on the team. He has been the consummate team player, always joyful. There's never been any stresses or strains. So positive, always willing to do anything, whether it's puppets or drama, anything. Phil will readily lend a hand. We'll really miss him. And it's just been such a blessing. We've got such a great team. I'm the substitute this morning because Angela is leading worship at her church, so hopefully I'll remember the lines. But the background to this assembly is that a head teacher said to me, I've got a problem in my school. But a problem with resilience. Children give up too easily. So we took the theme of resilience and created a character, who you'll meet, who was lacking in hope and aspiration, switched off, lazy, and throughout the course of the assembly she's learned something about resilience and about God's plans for her life. And what we're increasingly doing is presenting value-based assemblies. The value here is resilience. Will be values in our next assemblies that will link into, in a secular sense and a spiritual sense, teaching for the children. Disney grossed something like $1.25 billion with the film Frozen, so they get by. It's the 4th or 5th biggest film of all time. Some of the older ones amongst us probably have never even heard of it, but the children love it. So what we've done is taken the songs and given them Christian lyrics. So we hope you enjoy it. And
okay.
Take it from the top.
So good morning, Freshwaters.
Good morning.
Very good. We are Great Open Door. You'll be glad to know that we're Christians, which means that we believe in God and we love His Son, Jesus. My name is Phil.
Hi, I'm Holly.
Hello everyone, my name's Mark.
Hello everybody, I'm Margot.
Good morning, I'm Phil.
I'm Paul and I'm the sound man.
And the theme for our assembly this morning is resilience.
Now resilience is a big word, but it means to keep on trying and not give up.
Yeah, it means to always try your best, even when work seems difficult.
Now, if you enjoy learning about God and you like having fun, we have the best assembly for you ever. So I really hope that you enjoy your time watching us this morning and taking part. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye.